Ake sivakashele laphayana eLa Montana. iLa Montana ke i-address yakhona bathi u100 Compensation Beach Road eDolphin Coast endaweni yaseBarlito. Alright, iLa Montana ihhotela elibukhazikhazi bafethu. Alright, kuneyindawo ezinhle zokulala. Uma ufuna ukulala khona ke ngicabanga ukuthi ungabudgeta from 1000 kuya laphana ke ko 8000. Alright, lana ngaphakathi futhi kube khona indawo zokudlela okungama restaurant, kube khona nebar, kanti futhi kunama swimming pool. Lana ke bafethu into engiyithole izolo yamangalisa. Uyakwazi ukungena lana ngaphakathi. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa awuyile kuyolala. Alright, cool. Ungena kanjani? Uthenga i-voucher lapha egateini. Alright, i-voucher yakhona iqala ku 120 per person. Alright, le voucher iyona oyispendayo ngaphakathi la ema-restaurant. Usungena ke la ukhangwe ubukhazikhazi kubasofa lobo bubonile. Alright, la ngaphakathi kune beach bar, pool deck and Fred's Corner. And also other restaurant. Enye ama-restaurant engiyibonile nje uPalm Terrace Cafe. Alright, la ngaphakathi ngicabanga ukuthi nakhona indawo yokudlela ke leyo basebeshila ukuthi i-cafe. Ngicabanga ukuthi futhi uyakwazi nanoku-order neziphuzo. Mokuya ukuthi mhlambe ke usukhohlwe nekheke, umuntu othanda ikheke, banawo namakheke. And then right opposite ke khona futhi bano 30 Testers Cafe and Bar. Alright, laphana ke just chill and have your drinks. Okay ke, ngalana bafethu nayi ke le pool bar ngicabanga ukuthi ke lana ila besithenga khona ama drinks impela. Alright, lo wamlungu lo wana bafethu nithi nihle lapha ebeniculela ingoma ezimnandi wena owezodola ephathini. Okay, and then la nansi i-swimming pool bafethu. Lana ke uyakwazi ukuyingenela uswime ngaphakathi. And then ke laphayana ke ushawa umoya ke lapho uyakwazi ukunyukela edebhisini ubuke ubuhle beBarlito, ubuke ubuhle bolwandle because mume lapha kune view enhle kabi, ukwazi ukubuka amatshe lawa solwandle, ubuke i-coast yakhona uze ubone ngisho le emhlanga, ubone ngisho neMoses Mabhida ke. Unfortunately angivezanga la. And uthu lapha phezulu une beach bar ke lapha phezulu. Okay, enginterested kakhulu ila besikade ke sihleli khona. Uthi uhleli lapha yana ke uyakwazi ukuthi ube no waiter u-order ke ama drinks. Thina ke we had ama cocktails. Okay, while we chilling here bekune game ebikade idlalwa okuthiwa ibingo. Alright, beyidlala ke le game ngicabanga ukuthi uwina izinto noma uwine ama drinks ke. Kodwa ke mina bengibhizi phela ngishuthela i-content, so ke ngifuna ukunixoxela kahle hle ngayo and also sipping my cocktails as always. Okay, lana ke bafethu ngaphakathi indawo lena ngicabanga ukuthi nawe ungayivakashela, either uhamba nomndeni wakho ufuna ukukhipha isinqanda mathe sakho or else nje umuntu oyithandela i-view. Oh okay, uyakwazi futhi ukuthi uwalke la kunezitebhisi eziphumela ngasolwandle. Nayi ke le view bafethu bengikade ngisho la ukuthi uyibukela yona uyishayelwe na umoya bafethu. Ngizofaka ke iwebsite yala nenamba yakhona ekugcineni.
Never thought that I'd be ready. She let me, I let her keep her things. She told me, why didn't you just fight for it? All these baddies had too many. I promised that I would've died for it. You just had to fucking let me. Now I'm married to the game, I'm in that. No more chains, I'ma buy me some gold. 3 babies tryna make room for some more.